it's Nancy Queen, and today I'm here to show you an unboxing, and I'm so excited about this one. It's from POKETO. Woo! I love unboxings. Okay, oh, let's get this opened. So I'm going to take everything out. It comes with this little thank you card, and then I ordered some little sticker tabs. These are monthly, weekly, project, and plain. So those, oh, here, that's the back. And they're a nice size. You get a few sheets of the different ones that I just mentioned. And I thought they would be great in these planners. And then I ordered a set. So before I get into the set, this is their quarterly goal planner. Let's open it up. And look at all of these different sheets that come in the goal planner. So that's nice. And I don't know about you, but I am crazy about breaking in books. I really don't like when the spine's broken. And this, if you don't know, is how you break in a book. You start with the cover pages. You fold down nice and evenly on both sides. Then you take a few more pages on each side and you press them down. And I press this down again. My dad is an avid reader, taught all of his children how to do this when we were little, and we all break in books this way, and we're all kind of crazy about it. I was just talking to my sister about it the other day, and we all just love to break in books. It's just kind of a therapeutic activity that you do when you get a new book. So now it's a nice flat lay design. So this is the quarterly goal planner. The colors are really pretty. I chose the yellow. It comes, I think, in 4 different color combinations, and they're all really good. I had a hard time deciding. This front page says why they made the book. And then this is a goal setting page. Challenges you anticipate. What do you want to achieve this quarter? I like that it's a quarterly goal. And then here is a monthly planner for 3 months so that you can plan out your goals. And then you can plan them out by the week. This is going to be great. What did you accomplish this week? What were your challenges? What are you going to change and learn next week? And it just continues this way so that you can set goals, take action, and actually see progress moving towards your goal. You know, you don't have to accomplish a huge goal every day, but if you're working towards it a little tiny bit each day, that's the best thing. So this is a great planner. I can't wait to use it, try it out, and give you a video on that. Okay, and then this is a set that I bought from POKETO. It's a 3-part set. It's their concept planner, object notebook, and project planner all in one, and I chose the orange. Again, came in really cute colors, and I had a hard time deciding. So the concept planner is for goal setting, and then it has open dated sections. So it's kind of similar to the quarterly goal planner, but I think it's more for you to work out your ideas. This is very nice. Got the weekly plan. So there's lots of pages. Here's the whole year you can lay out. A huge project, lay it all out for the year. This is great. And I like the size of this. And then the object notebook. Don't know what this has in it, but I'm looking forward to finding out what kind of book it is. These planners have a really nice, almost like a fabric feeling cover. They're coated, they're really wonderful, and the pages themselves are nice and thick. They feel really nice. I think I'm going to really enjoy working with this. So this just says it's an object notebook. Oh, it's all blank pages. So I do have a lot of things that I have to write down, or I do a lot of pattern creations where I have to do designs. So this will be really nice for that, for tracking that and just having a kind of a dump space for all that information. I love thinking of how I'm going to use these planners. Now this project planner looks really exciting. Look at everything you're going to get in here. So it's a great way to map and organize over 100 projects, and it has a flat lay design. Okay, and an elastic band to hold it all together. I don't see the elastic band. Oh, there it is. Okay, that's nice. So there's the elastic band. And this, you know, I really like big planners sometimes because, boom, look at the size of that. You can really see everything, map it out, look at your accomplishments. So let's go through this a little bit. And it's killing me that I didn't break it in, but I won't put you through that again. So here's the yearly plan. It's similar to what we looked at in the small book. And then the monthly, here you can write your goals and you can lay everything out for the month. So it looks like we have a year of those. Oh, there's a lot here. And then here's our weekly plan. So you can put your goals again. There's little check boxes for to-dos. And all of these planners today are undated, so you can start them at any time. And I love that because I hate wasting paper when I start a planner in March and I have to, you know, the first 2.5 months are wasted. So, or 3 months even. So this is the whole week, and I like that the weekend is the same size as all of the other days of the week because I do work a lot on the weekends. And if you are kind of a weekend warrior, or you're working on a project that's a side hustle for you, having weekend plans is really important. And let's see. Oh, okay, this is the project plan right here. So you can list out your project, the tasks that you're going to need to do to make that project, and then there's actually a timeline for when you think you're going to be able to do it, or you can say, okay, I'm going to work on this from the 1st to the 7th. I need to have that done, and then you could say I'm going to have this done by, oh, it's a small project, so I need to have it done by the 8th and 9th. And you could like highlight all these little boxes so that you have a whole plan laid out. And by the time you have this checklist done and filled out your whole calendar, your project will be completed. I mean, it's really wonderful the way it's laid out. And then you take that plan that you put out there and the dates, and you can go back to your weekly plan or even your monthly plan, and you say, okay, I said that I'm going to do this on the 1st through the 7th, so I have to do that here. Then you can go back to your weekly and say, okay, this is due on this date, or, you know, if you have micro things to check off to accomplish this task, there might be 3 or 4 steps. For example, this video that I'm shooting, it's not just me shooting the video. I had to plan out what I'm going to say. I planned out, I'm shooting the raw video. I have to go back and edit. Sometimes I do voiceovers. I have to create a thumbnail, upload it, write the content, create a blog post. So if I said here, create POKETO video, I'm going to need to do all those little micro tasks to complete that. So to list it on here, I might not need a whole month to do it because it happens over a short time, but it will really help to be able to list those micro things on those pages. Okay, so that is the project plan. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Ooh, what's this? Let me take a look at that paper and see what this section is. This is the process notes where you jot down ideas, meeting points, to-dos, and more. So I think this is really where you're going to brainstorm out some of your ideas, and you could have lots and lots of ideas going because there's lots of pages here and what tasks you need to do. I mean, this is a really good, you can doodle things, draw out ideas, and then there's lots of note pages here at the back. So this is a really good book. Like I said, I love the size. I want to see if this one, so this one has the notes. No, it doesn't have all the same things that this one has. So they are different. I want to see the concept planner. It's open dated. So it just goes into, so you have the big picture planning, monthly goals, weekly plan, and notes. Whereas this one, oh, here they're showing you how you can plan out your project. I think this is really excellent. And then it has some of the same information, but then it has even more. So I might use one of these for doing my YouTube videos, or if I'm creating a larger concept, I'll probably use this project planner. This one seems like it might be better for my YouTube videos. How will you use these planners, and what do you think? I'd love to know. Let me know in the description below, but don't go away yet. I mean, comments below. I have one more item that I'm really thrilled about. I couldn't wait to get this. I don't know if this is something you're going to be into, so you'll have to let me know. But I got the Modernist coloring book. This is apparently the first volume was a really big hit, and I don't usually like to color in coloring books. I'm more of a color in my planner girl. I love decorating my planner, making little doodles, but I thought these designs were really, really cool when I saw it on the website. And I think this would be really fun to color in and just, I don't know, get some really cute designs going in, maybe even add a few doodles. So I'm going to do a few pages in this too, and I'll show it to you in a later video. I might even film the thing while I'm coloring it in. So let me know what you want to see. I'd love to hear, and I will see you in the next video.